everyone. I am making my 3-alarm chili, and it's going to actually be for the Super Bowl, but I'm making it a little bit early so that you guys have the recipe so that you could have it on the game day. I'm sauteing a couple of cloves of garlic just to take the rawness out of them, and they're actually done. I'm also browning. I have approximately 3 pounds of ground meat here. It's the 80-20 mix that I usually like to use. I also have my spices. Instead of doing all the individual spices, I just buy the packet. But this is the hot. It's going to be hot. I have the slow cooker on, and I have it set on. Mine has different hours. This is set on for 4 hours, and I already have 3 cans of crushed tomatoes in there. They have basil in with the crushed tomatoes, and I'm getting ready to put the beans in also. Now the beans, some people have chili and they don't like beans. We happen to really like the beans in chili. These are red kidney beans, and they are the lighter ones. And then I also have the darker kidney beans. I like the variation in the way that they look and taste. So I'm browning the ground beef that's going to go in this pot over here. And once it's all browned, then I'm going to drain the fat off. You don't want that in your chili. After I drain the fat, I am going to add the spice packets. And I'm also going to add a little bit of extra onion powder. And I'm going to add these little cloves of garlic. This is all flavor. And that's what you want to do. You want to layer all the flavor. So this is what it looks like once I got it browned. It's not actually like a dark brown, of course. Browning it, that's what it looks like. So I'm getting ready to drain the fat off. So I was going to add the onion powder to the ground beef, but I'm going to just add it right to the tomato mixture and bean mixture. Probably about 2 tablespoons. I'm just eyeballing it, and like I said, it's all about adding flavor, and that's what we're doing. I'm also going to add the packets right to the ground beef. And then once it gets into the tomato mixture, it will blend better. Now, as I stated before, this is 80-20 blend of ground beef. And I browned it, and then I drained it, and I'm adding the chili spices, and it is hot chili spices. So now I'm adding the ground meat mixture into the tomato mixture. And then when I add it, then I stir it around a little bit, and then add more. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some of this jalapenos, or pickled jalapenos. And as the chili cooks, the longer it cooks, the spicier it gets, because I used those extra hot chili packets, and it's going to cook for about 4 hours. So we're going to come back when it's done, and we're going to show you all the toppings we're going to put out so that we can enjoy it. It helps to bring the heat down a little bit sometimes too. So I'm going to dip a little bit out for myself, and I'm going to show you what I like to put on mine. And whatever you put on top of that, the whole reason behind that is for it to calm it down so that it's not as hot. If you like it really spicy, you don't have to put anything on it. You can eat it just the way it is. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to put my favorite toppings on. I like a little tiny bit of cheese. Not a whole lot. And I also like a little dollop of sour cream. If I can get it off the spoon, here we go. And I also like corn chips in mine. And maybe later on I'll have some with cornbread. But I take them and I crush them up like that. Here we go. you mix the sour cream and it makes it kind of creamy looking. Ugh. Wow. Even with the sour cream, that's hot. Enjoy. Mangia. Make sure that you hit the like button and the notification button so that you can be tuned in to all my upcoming